All right, namaste. Um, Today we're gonna do a little bit of fun thing. We're gonna make a hand wash, and it doubles up as also a face wash. It's very luxurious. You feel amazing on your hands and on your face. And for that, it can also be used anywhere in the body as well. So some of the herbs that we need are actually I'm not gonna use amla. Let's do. We're gonna do neem. Neem is a bitter herb. It's really, really good for skin. It is antifungal support and antibacterial support. Topically, it's absolutely amazing and great for someone who has acne or pimples or some kind of rash. And Manjistha is another one. Manjistha is usually a blood purifier, but it also soothes the skin. And Guduchi is again a liver purifier, but again it also soothes the skin as well. So we have these three herbs, and deliberately I'm not using turmeric because when you wash your hands, you don't want the hands to be full of yellow color because turmeric can turn. So what all we need? I'm gonna get all our ingredients together. All right. So first things first. Let's see if you can see everything better now. Yeah. So first, this is all the things that you're gonna need. First of all, I love, love Dr. Bronner's. It's just a plain Dr. Bronner's Pure Castille Soap. And then you have this leftover honey that kind of sticks to the end. And then I had some roses, and I put a little bit of water. It smells wonderful, and that's your rose water. And we're going to use the rose water. And then we have this aloe vera, a little bit, and we need manjistha. We're going to use maybe a half a teaspoon of manjistha. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of neem, and we're going to use a half a teaspoon of guduchi. So I'm going to get a spoon and let's get started. All right, so we're going to start off by taking a little bit of, let me see, simply seed. I think you can see this clearly. So first things first, I want to get all the liquid, and we're going to put the Castille soap first. I am a spoon person. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it's 10 spoons of Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Soap. And I had prepared this in the garden. I just put some water and rose together. And now we're going to add half of the, so this approximately 5 teaspoons of that. This is going to be a little tricky. Let's, it takes a little while to come out. The honey. Honey is, dense, so it's taking its time. That was probably 2 teaspoons of honey in there. But I don't think the entire 2 teaspoons have come. Here we go. See the colors changing very beautifully. And we're going to add half a teaspoon of Guduchi, half a teaspoon of Manjistha, half a teaspoon, actually 1 teaspoon, that's half, and another half of Neem. And now we just need to add, I want to mix it together nicely. And I am going to add a little bit of aloe vera. Smells nice. And I have I love to save old things. This is just a old hand wash. You can also put a vegetable coloring in there if you don't like the color. This is literally, these are just pure, because you added all these herbs. Now, if you don't want to see that, you can also add more soap. You don't have to. But this is an amazing wash. Just a little bit more. Yep. Actually, more honey. Yeah, so the combination of honey and all the herbs, it gives it a little brown color. I don't really care about the color, but you can actually add a food coloring and make it look really interesting. Here we go. Ideally, you want to use a sieve and filter it. I am just doing so that you really don't want the herbs. You want the herbs to get nicely mixed in. Even if it goes in, it actually settles at the bottom. See, they're settled kind of at the bottom, and you have a more clear soap in here. Oops, here we go. Some soap has come out. Oh, it feels really luxurious, and it smells wonderful as well. I'm washing my hands with this beautiful soap that we made with these lovely herbs, Guduchi and Manjistha and Neem. You can also add essential oils to it, but since we'll be using on our hands and face, you don't have to. But yeah, oh my goodness, it made my hand look so soft. Let me wash my hands and come back. And yeah, I make this for my son who's a teenager, and it's great for kids with acne and pimples, cystic acne, even, and it just makes your skin feel very smooth and beautiful. And these are the one thing is, I left some of this here, but if you leave it for about 24 hours, then all the herbs will get absorbed as well. You don't have to. I have most of the herbs are in there as well. So good luck, and let me know if you enjoyed your beautiful Ayurvedic hand wash. Definitely can be used on the face as well, or face wash. Thank you. Namaste.